morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. You probably know what I'm going to say next, but you'd be wrong. Because I actually split my shopping this week and did part of it Friday. I did my dairy and non-perishable at one store, and then yesterday I did my produce. I had to go to the Bel Air anyway to pick up a prescription, so I decided I didn't want to get up early today, even though I got up early anyway, and did my produce shopping. Yeah. Last night, I prepared pancit canton, or canton, also known as stir-fried noodles. Now, if you've seen the picture or the videos, you noticed I used egg noodles because technically in the recipe it calls for Chinese egg noodles, and I decided, one, I couldn't find them. Two, I just decided, what the heck? Recipes are just guidelines. Last night's meal was, excellent. Loved it. I pretty much kept everything the same, except I added a little bit of sesame oil to the sauce and a little bit of chili garlic or garlic chili paste with just a tiny bit of heat, just a little bit, but excellent. Great with pork. Tonight I switched recipes because I was supposed to do one recipe which would give me 2 pork stir fries in a row. So I decided I'm going to switch these. And I didn't have to go to basically I already had everything for it. So tonight I'm preparing spicy New Orleans shrimp. Yeah. I saw this recipe. I'm like, I got to have it. Especially when it says serve it over rice. Oh, yeah. So let's get to it. Hardware is super simple. Baking dish and a crockery for the rice. I got just about 11 ounces of peel and eat, or not peel and eat, but peel shrimp, easy peel shrimp. I'll defrost, in the next few hours. This is a butter-based sauce, so it's about half cup of butter, garlic, your favorite hot sauce, a little bit of Lea & Perrins Worcestershire, some honey to balance it out and add a little bit of sweetness. I'll be using my Cajun seasoning blend, some smoked paprika from the local spicery, and cayenne. You can adjust this for your palates of what you like for heat. Some black pepper, and just a little bit of lemon juice to finish it off when it comes out of the oven. Yes, this is basically here are the wonderful goodies. Of course, there's my rice. This is a baked dish. No pans, no wok, no champion, no Dutch ovens, not tonight. This goes basically in the oven from 12 to 14 minutes. Yeah. So, and you can serve this many different ways. I'm choosing to serve it over rice. I'm a big rice fan, if you don't know that by now. Okay, so it's kind of rainy outside here in Sutter County, California. It was raining a little bit earlier when I first got up. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.